Hey, to pair your Redmi Buds Free Lite with any Android phone, first of all you have to remove both earbuds from this charging case, and before you have to also remember to charge them for like 10 or 20 minutes. And now you have to take a look just right here on these indicators, and they will start blinking after a few moments. So it means that right now we are in the pairing mode, and you have to put them close to your phone, then go to the Bluetooth settings, tap on the pair new device, and simply take a look for the available devices. So in my case they doesn't appear on the list, but you just have to be patient and wait, and just be sure that this indicator is blinking like this. So it means that we are successfully in the pairing mode. If you have the same issue like in my case, I can recommend you to restart the Bluetooth settings, but as you can see after a few seconds they appears at the bottom of the list. So select them just right here and accept the pairing. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And if you wonder about the application connection, unfortunately the Redmi Buds Free Lite doesn't support any application. And right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all, bye bye.